Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be planning Christmas week. But before we go through this planner, let's go through my Hobonichi Weeks nuance in Minnesota, which is my YouTube planner. And unfortunately, the clip for this or the footage was not very good, so I just decided to show you what I did for week 51. But in our Sneakers Mega, this is the last week and I will be linking it down below. So let's get ready for the coming week, week 51, which is Christmas week. Let's go ahead and go through our materials. I will only be using these highlights, this gray Staedtler fine liner, and a few stickers in the end. So with a fine liner, I am making columns, tiny little columns on the left page, which I'm also doing on half of the right page. But these columns on the right page are a little bit skinnier than the left page. But it's alright because it is on the grid, so it's easy to write on them. And then what I'm doing is that I'm extending the daily section from the left page all the way to the end of the right page. So I haven't done that before in my channel or in my spreads. And I thought that today is the right time to do it. Now this planner is my catch-all, and the most important thing that I track on here is my schedule. And this is what we have so far. So I'm using the brush pens as highlight once again, and I'm switching between the Christmas colors that I pulled for today's plan with me. So we have brown, red, green, and I'm using a little bit more red so that it's extra festive. And I like the color combination, and also I hope that you like the decoration on the table right now. And the pen that I'm using is a Pilot G-Tech mica. This is a little bit difficult to get in different countries, but I hope you're able to get it. If not, any Pilot pen is really great. And these are the divisions to the days. And it's divided by time, as well as a morning and an evening on the either side. So once again, this planner holds my schedule. That's why I have quite a sizable timetable on here. And it just helps me organize my days and go through all my tasks that are in different planners. So I do have my morning tasks and routine that I want to write down, which is also being tracked in my lifestyle planner. And if I have any tasks that are timed, I want to put them here. And for example, I'll be in uni on Monday still. So I need to do a few things and I would like to write it down there. Maybe next time I wouldn't extend the lines very much and just make it a little bit thinner because it is quite difficult to see here on camera. In real life, it's not too bad. So here I decided to go ahead and decorate my pages a little bit more than usual. You know that I am planning to make this planner very functional, but since it is Christmas Day, just like with my husband's birthday, I wanted to add a little bit more decoration. So this is from Sautelier, and you've seen this in the last plan with me, so yesterday's Planmas. And now I'm going to make my trackers. So I'm using that little space at the bottom. That's why I need to make the grids myself. It's not too hard as I thought it was going to be, so that's a pleasant surprise. And then I'm just following the grid above this ungrid space to make extend the grids down there. And now I'm going to go ahead and write down my trackers. So I'm completing this little area. There are a few things that I do want to track. I think that this planner will be very good for placing a tracker since it is keeping my timetable. And this is the page that we have complete. So this is a very short plan with me, as per usual, but I hope that you are inspired by this and you find it helpful or useful, and if you do use this or is inspired by it, make sure to tag me. I would love to see it, and I'll see you in the next video.